What's going on, gang, and welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about a critical topic for anybody who is looking to make it in the world of day trading, because while the potential for profit is high, the risk for failure is even higher. So today I'm going to give you guys the top 5 reasons why day traders fail. Let's get into it. Number 1 on our list is a lack of a solid trading plan. Many new traders jump into the market without any strategy, relying on tips from friends or trends. This can lead to impulsive decisions and untimely losses. A well-defined trading plan includes entry and exit strategies, risk management, and clear goals. If you don't have a plan on what you're doing, you might as well be gambling. Coming in at number 2 is emotional trading. Day trading is as much a mental game as it is about strategy. Fear and greed can cloud your judgment, leading to hasty trades and poor decisions. Staying calm and sticking to your plan is crucial. If you find yourself trading impulsively or out of fear, it's always good to take a step back and reassess. Number 3 is over-leveraging. While leveraging can amplify profits, it also magnifies losses. Many traders get caught up in the allure of high leverage without understanding the risks involved. Remember, it's not about how much you can win, it's about how much you can afford to lose. Always remember to manage your risk wisely. 4th on our list is ignoring market fundamentals. Many day traders focus too heavily on charts and technical analysis without considering broader economic indicators and news events. Understanding what drives the market can give you an edge. Always stay informed on significant economic reports and geopolitical events. And finally, number 5, a lack of continuous education. The markets are always evolving, and what worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. Traders who stop learning are likely to fall behind. Invest in your education through courses, books, and following market news. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to adapt and succeed. So there you have it, the top 5 reasons why traders fail. Lack of a trading plan, emotional trading, over-leveraging, ignoring market fundamentals, and lack of ongoing education. I appreciate y'all for sticking with me. Let me know down in the comments if you guys struggle with any of these mistakes, or if there are some stuff that you're struggling with that I didn't mention in this video. Until then, I'll catch y'all in the next one. See y'all later.